everyone, quick video for today. I have air vent speed dials in my car that are not working, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. So this is what's happening. As I turn on my car and I try to control my speed for air vents, nothing. Only 4 is working, but speed 3, 2, and 1 are completely not working. This is a very common issue. All you have to do is replace transistor. I bought mine on Amazon for 20 bucks. I'll leave the link in the description, and I'm going to show you how to replace it. Now you want to go on the passenger side here in the front, underneath this glove box compartment. You want to take off this this protective foam here, and you want to pull out this cable here. Okay, so we're gonna pull this one out, and over here on the end of it we have the transistor. All we have to do is take this off. So let me try to do that. Here you go. And we're gonna pop in the new one. This is the old one. You can see it's all rusted here. This is the brand new I got on Amazon. So we're just gonna put the new one in. It just goes like this, clips it in. There you go. And we're gonna put it back in its slot. Okay, it just goes right in here in this slot. And we're gonna put this protective foam back in its place. Just tuck it in. And now when we start the car and turn on one, we have the air. 2, 3, 4. All of them are working. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye bye.